My name is Hubert Dennenmoser, and I've been Managing Director here since 1993. If you drive through the Allgäu region today and see the cows on the pasture, then 95% of them are suppliers to Allgäu Milch Käse. My name is Frank Thiemer. I am 59 years old, and I've been with Weber Food Technology for about 21 years now. I'm responsible for the cheese and dairy segment, supporting our customers on site in implementing their goals. All the packaging was handled externally, and that involved transport costs. But it also meant that the packaging companies never really responded to our specific needs. And so we eventually said if we want to remain competitive in the market, we have to be able to handle this part ourselves. Back then, Mr. Dennenmoser told me they wanted to bring this added value in-house. Doing the packaging was a logical step. We were supplying so much to retailers that no one could handle the volumes anymore. So we tried to do it ourselves. It was simply a logical move. Here at this point, the pre-divided Emmentaler block is handed over to our scanner. We use an X-ray technique here. We then focused our planning on a conventional slicing line. That includes our WeSlice 9500. This allows us to easily cover the 160 packs per minute required on average. And everyone dreams of Weber's high-performance slicer. The second line was equipped with a dicing system, which we were able to integrate into the picking system with no issues. And that's how we created an entirely new product with increased added value for the company Milch Käse. Here we are at the outfeed of the slicer. The finished sliced pieces exit the machine here and are handed over to the shuttle system. Each shuttle transports 2 cheese pieces. We chose this shuttle system because it's a logistics solution that includes its own buffering capability. So there's no need for extended buffer zones. Here we can see the system for making cheese cubes, for example. This is what we call the punching station. And this is another reason we chose the shuttle. Only the shuttle allows precise positioning of each block under the cutting grid. Then the entire block is pushed up through the cutting grid by a servo. What impressed me about Mr. Weber and Mr. Thiemer was the strategic approach. They were clear and pragmatic. What do you want? How do you want to do it? What can we offer you? How can we achieve it together? What speaks in Weber's favor, in my opinion, is the technology we use. The Vario gripper includes an additional element to increase efficiency. The vacuum grippers, which fixes the raw product from behind to ensure precise guidance to the blade. Instead of using needles, we now use a vacuum system here that pulls the raw product from the back, making it possible to create a minimal in-piece. When I first visited Weber the first time, we conducted tests and tried different grippers, including the vacuum gripper. That's when it clicked for me. I did the math and realized that Weber would give us a clear advantage over other technologies. That was also one of the decisive factors. These factors make it easy for customers to quickly calculate the return on investment in our equipment. We've implemented lines where only one person works in the white zone. One person who can operate the entire slicing line, from block divider and scanner to slicer, loading system, and packaging up to the gray zone. One person, and that is, of course, a huge benefit for our customers in terms of cost savings. If I were to do this again today, I would only buy a line from a single source. Then you have one contact person, one person responsible, and you can avoid all that confusion.